Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details of the VAFOTON PD 240W short USB-C cable, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. This cable is designed for users who demand high power delivery, ultra-fast data transfer, and excellent video output in a compact, travel-friendly design. The VAFOTON PD 240W short USB-C cable supports an impressive maximum power delivery of 240W, 48V/5A, thanks to its built-in eMarker chip compatible with PD 3.1/3.0/2.0 standards. This means it can rapidly charge devices such as the MacBook Pro/Air series up to 80 in just 35 minutes, iPad Pro/Air series up to 85 in the same time frame, and iPhone 15, 16, or Samsung Galaxy devices up to 90 within 35 minutes, provided your charger and device support fast charging. This makes it ideal for anyone needing quick top-ups, especially during busy days or while traveling. When it comes to data transfer, the cable shines with a blazing speed of up to 40 gigabits per second. This ultra-high transmission rate allows you to transfer large files like 2 HD movies or over 1,000 music albums in seconds, making it perfect for external hard drives or handling big data transfers. Compared to the typical 20 gigabits per second cables, this is a significant upgrade, ensuring faster and more stable connections. For multimedia enthusiasts, the cable supports 8K video output at 60 Hz, allowing seamless connection from USB-C laptops to high-resolution displays such as Dell USB-C monitors, HP Elite Display, LG Ultrafine 5K, and Lenovo X1 27-inch displays. This capability ensures crisp, smooth video playback and is perfect for creative professionals or gamers requiring top-tier visual performance. One of the standout features is its compact keychain design. The cable is about 6 inches long, making it incredibly portable and convenient to carry around. You can attach it to your keys, backpack, or bag, eliminating the hassle of tangled or overly long cables. This practical design makes it an excellent choice for travelers and daily commuters. Compatibility is broad and inclusive, covering a wide range of devices such as MacBook Pro/Air, iPad Pro/Air, Steam Deck, iPhone 15, 16 series, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, and many other USB-C-enabled laptops, tablets, smartphones, and displays. This versatility ensures it can serve as a universal cable for most modern gadgets. Pros: exceptional 240W power delivery for ultra-fast charging, ultra-high 40 gigabits per second data transfer speed, supports 8K at 60 Hz video output for premium display quality. Compact, keychain-style design for portability, wide compatibility across many USB-C devices, reliable customer support with quick response. Cons: short length, 6 inches, may not suit all charging setups. Fast charging dependent on device and charger compatibility. In summary, the VAFOTON PD 240W short USB-C cable is a powerful, versatile, and highly portable cable ideal for anyone needing fast charging, rapid data transfer, and high-resolution video output in a compact form. Don't forget, the link to get this cable at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Grab yours while the offer lasts.